So Urmo, we promised a conclusion about the gearbox after Saaremaa Rally. Give us some feed, what you're thinking, what your thoughts are. That would you change more something, or are you happy?
Gearbox worked well. Like we saw yesterday, then we were 5th overall. Not so much behind from the first place, a little bit more than one second. And generally the gearbox worked well. I made a mistake this morning, so I decided to save some money and start Saturday with used tires, and one tire exploded. So it's always, if you take used things, then you cannot guarantee the quality.
Rally is not a place to save money; it's to spend money. But what are your ideas about the next year? Are we seeing Aava Rally team on the roads?
At the moment, it's too early to ask.
You have a new gearbox. You have the new gears.
Yeah. I have to think and analyze everything. At the moment, it's wrong time to ask me.
But about the gearbox, what are the main things that you would point out after that change what you made before Saaremaa?
It's much easier to drive generally. You have always power, and also you can make some small mistakes. Still you are in a power band. And in some stages also we realized the speed step up. So I recommend everybody who has a longer version, and to contact Samsonas and
so this version,
find a short one.
This one definitely suits better for Estonian rallies.
Yeah. Anyhow, I checked also now. It's reaching almost 200 km/h, so it's enough.
Thank you.
Thanks.